Can you say cat? Cat. Cat. Can you say hat? Right. Can you say dada? Yeah, dada's good. Can you say dada? Yeah. Yeah. That's dada. Mama. Emily, where's your hat? Where's your hat? Where'd he go? Is it on the floor? Can you pick up your hat? There it is. Can Daddy help you put it on your head?
Put your hat on. Put your...
You can't see.